How to transfer WhatsApp to new iPhone 14. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to transfer WhatsApp to new iPhone 14. The easiest way to transfer WhatsApp to your new iPhone 14 is by using the Tenorshare iCare phone transfer tool, which has been specifically developed for easing the transfer of data between devices. It can be used to back up all the data from iPhone to your Windows PC and Mac. With its Restore WhatsApp backup to iPhone and Android feature, you can expect for an easy and quick transfer of WhatsApp files. Continue watching this video to see how to transfer WhatsApp to new iPhone 14. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer by clicking the link in the description down below and launch it after connecting your devices to it. Now click the transfer button to continue. Step 2. The software will automatically start backing up WhatsApp data in the source device. Step 3. Verify your WhatsApp account by getting WhatsApp verification code from the WhatsApp account. Step 4. This step is to generate data which can be restored to your target device. Step 5. Wait for the transfer process to complete. If the backup file is very large, it will take some time. After that, your WhatsApp data will be successfully transferred. Conclusion: due to the drawbacks of the other methods, it is always better to use Tenorshare iCare phone to transfer WhatsApp to your new iPhone, since it is pretty reliable and follows a secure method of transfer. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. If it was helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.